Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to show desktop on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to show desktop on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so firstly open any Chrome browser, and if you want to show desktop, so Windows key plus D key tab, Windows key plus D key tab. That is, guys, very easy. Firstly open any Chrome browser, and if you want to show desktop, so Windows key plus D key tab, Windows key plus D key tab. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to show desktop on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please share this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please watching this video. Thank you for watching.